In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to always keep Hotspot on in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to open our control panel. How we can do so, here at the button search bar, please type for panel or control panel. Once you're done typing, please wait until you'll be able to see a best match. And once it's here, go with this right side and click on the open option to continue. The moment you click on it, you would be able to see this kind of window where here you can adjust your computer settings. First, we need to go with view by, click on this down arrow key and set it into large icons. Once the window has been changed like this, you need to proceed with the network and sharing center, which is in my case that is being placed here, the third column next to indexing options. Click on that one. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to view your basic information and set up connections. And there you can see your active networks, the network or the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connecting with. So by that, you need to navigate to the connections, click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, you'll be able to bring up this Wi-Fi status. Please proceed with the properties. Click on this. And the moment you've clicked on it, you'll be able to open this Wi-Fi properties window. So here you need to proceed with configure. Click on that one. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to open the wireless properties of your selected Wi-Fi or the Wi-Fi that you are currently connecting with. So go with this power management and there you can see allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So this option is very important because it is very crucial to disable it. So if in your case it is being enabled or checked and checked it and click on OK and close the window as well as this one and then restart your computer. So by that navigates your power menu options, your start first and go with your power menu options and restart your computer. So you may wonder why we need to restart. We need to restart in order to apply on the actions that we have taken or that we have performed in this video. And in order to make any changes, just have to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.